All right, as we head into the evening hours, it's no surprise that fog remains a problem. All of these counties highlighted here have a fog advisory issued by the National Weather Service, but we are seeing reduced visibilities in many of our counties, even into western Minnesota. So please be cautious out there. That visibility will be changing. Cloudy skies for the entire region, except for down to our southeasternmost counties where highs today did get up into the 60s. The rest of us stapled in the 30s, 40s, and 50s. Unbelievable temperature difference across our area today. And now we're starting to see some precipitation in the form of, look at this, where we see the whites there. That's heavier snow, a heavier band of precipitation here. Temperatures cold enough for snow just north of Highway 2 now, kind of between the Williston and Minot areas this evening. So we're going to keep our eyes on this, but really the main brunt of this storm is going to come at us from the south. More on that in a second. Conditions are fair here in the FM area right now. 51 degrees. The wind is calm, and it's still a little bit soupy out there with the streets wet. Now, temperatures are still at 61 degrees Fergus Falls, 56 Sisseton. It's 10 degrees cooler in Oaks. Look at Langdon, 39 there. And the sensor there in Devil's Lake been giving us problems the last couple of days. Roseau, 48 degrees and 55 right now in the Detroit Lakes area, mid-50s as well for Bemidji. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast this evening. Cloudy skies, more patchy, dense fog setting up in places, and temperatures fairly steady between now and 7. And by 10, many of us in the south will be dipping into the 40s, and more locations joining those upper 30s in our northwesternmost counties. We're talking about Towner County with a chance, with temperatures cooling into the 30s, that some of these sprinkles could mix with flurries even before we head to bed tonight, before midnight. Watch what happens as we set it into motion overnight. Not much taking place still at 1 in the morning, but look at the south. Boom! A line of very heavy rain. Even some rumbles of thunder will be likely with this batch of storms that push their way up. And look at the bands of moderate snow where you see the deep blues and purples. There could be isolated locations that get brief, heavy, blinding snows during the very early morning hours. So as you're rising and shining Stutsman County, Dickey and Lemoore counties, and up towards the Foster and Eddy County areas, you could be seeing some very reduced visibilities. I don't think the snow will stick on road surfaces, but it certainly will on grass, while heavy rain will be the rule of thumb from the southern Red River Valley into Lakes Country for the drive to school and work. Going through the day, we'll see that band of snow out to the west. Continuing north winds will cool things off in our western counties. We're going to hold on to the 40s, though, off to the east, and any precipitation will be rain until we get to the late afternoon and evening. The drive home in Grand Forks could be mixing with some flakes of snow here and there. And again, the roads definitely will not be accumulating heavy snow amounts. But as we go into the evening hours and things cool off, we'll see more and more locations getting a taste of some measurable snow. Here's the area with the highest likelihood of snow accumulations. Yes, as many as 3 inches of snow in isolated spots will be possible. And again, it should not accumulate a lot on the road surfaces, but it could be slushy at times. Many of us getting a good 1/4 of an inch or more of liquid potential from this system as it works its way through. 38 in Fargo to start your day. Rain here. Snow west. Midday, temperatures will be falling from the low to mid 40s into the upper 30s, and we will see our best chance of snow for the drive home in the FM area. And we could get maybe a 1/2 of an inch on grassy surfaces. Elsewhere, a lot of 30s out west, still holding on to 40s, but changing to snow in the evening for you. Planning forecast, well, plan for better weather for the deer opener on Friday in North Dakota. It'll be a little quieter with spotty flurries in Minnesota. Better for everyone this weekend with the 50s returning by Sunday.
What happened to the deer? Is he hiding now?
Yes.
Well, you know, it's that time of year.
I don't blame him.
They're smart.
All right.
They are smart.
Bison basketball opens at home tonight. Later in sports, what Dave Richmond says you can expect to see at Shields Arena.
And when it comes to putting up a house, you can't get much faster than this. How these builders finished a job in a matter of hours. Next.